Find or read reviews that people are talking about TOPWISH 12-inch gas cooktop, LPG/NG, convertible built-in gas stovetop with 2 burners, 18,000 BTU. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. Powerful burners. The TOPWISH 12-inch gas cooktop features 2 high-performance burners, a 12,000 BTU Triple Ring burner for high-heat tasks like stir-frying and a 6,000 BTU Semi-rapid burner for delicate cooking such as simmering and braising. Whether you are preparing family dinners, quick breakfasts, or experimenting with new recipes, the TOPWISH gas stovetop offers precise heat control to make every meal delicious and effortless. Premium design. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, the TOPWISH 12-inch gas cooktop is rust-proof, stain-resistant, and designed to shine over time. Heavy-duty cast iron grates and seamlessly sealed burners enhance durability, while the easy-to-clean surface lets you maintain a spotless kitchen with just a quick wipe. The TOPWISH gas stovetop blends durability with elegance and fits perfectly into kitchens, RVs, or outdoor cooking spaces. NG/LPG compatibility. Designed for flexibility, the TOPWISH 2-burner propane stove supports both natural gas and propane setups, delivering consistent heat output without compromise. It includes both a natural gas regulator and LPG nozzles for easy installation, allowing you to switch between fuel types effortlessly. Featuring automatic electric pulse ignition powered by 110 to 120 volts AC, the TOPWISH propane stovetop ensures reliable performance in diverse cooking environments. Safety first. The Advanced Flame Failure Detection or FFD system automatically shuts off the gas supply if no flame is detected, ensuring peace of mind during emergencies or busy cooking moments. Cook with confidence knowing your family's safety is TOPWISH's top priority. Compact performance. Measuring 12.2 inches, white, x 20.08 inches, length, x 1.18 inches, height, with a cutout size of 10.63 inches, white, x 18.9 inches, length, the TOPWISH 2-burner propane stove is ideal for RVs, apartments, or outdoor kitchens. Compact yet efficient, the TOPWISH propane stovetop fits seamlessly into various spaces. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.